today we're going to talk about discontinuity and continuity. A discontinuity is a hole or a rupture in any function. There are four different types of discontinuities, which are the point removable, the jump discontinuity, the asymptotic discontinuity, and the infinite discontinuity.
This is a for example of a discontinuity. This is the point removable one. Here we have the first function. I just factorizing this function. We can factorize this way.
X minus 1 more the whole, it's going to be 1. And then this is going to be removed, and the final function is going to be this. It's going to be expressed here in the volume 1, and then plus 1.
But having a hole in the number 1.
So
In the limit
of
g of x, as it approaches to 1, the limit is going to be 2. But this actually doesn't exist.
Another type of discontinuity is the jump discontinuity. When x approaches to 2 from the left side, it's on positive 2. And when x approaches to 2 from the right side, it's on positive 3. So, the limit of x approaching to 2 does not exist. Here is another example. When the limit of x is approaching to 2 from the left side, it is on positive 3. And when the limit of x is approaching to 2 from the left side, is on negative 3. So again, the limit of x approaching to 2 does not exist. The fourth example that we're going to explain is the endpoint discontinuity. When a function is defined on an interval with a closed endpoint, the limit does not exist. The endpoint discontinuities are the ones that only one of the one-sided limits exists. So here, this will be an endpoint discontinuity with the other one now. And here we have another example that the x approaches to 0, so the limit does not exist.
This is another example of discontinuity. This is the infinite one. It's called infinite since the lines never touches the asymptote. In this case, the limit when x approaches to a is an infinite, since these lines never touches. And when the x approaches to the negative infinite, it approaches to 0. There is another example. It's the same thing, but here the limit is 1 from the left side. When it approaches to 1 on the left side, it goes down to the negative infinite, and 1 to the positive infinite.